Peacenplants, my botanical family, on that frequency. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We see some beautiful, beautiful things. So we journeyed to a very beautiful botanical garden at Hershey, aka Hershey Botanical Garden. And you know how we feel about our Thai constellations, our variegated plants, our two-colored, or even our tricolored plants. Here we have a Thai constellation, gigantic. And I wanted to show this video. Go ahead and look at the beauty around. Yeah, look at that, look at that. I wanted to stress the difference of how you can tell the difference of a Thai constellation versus a variegated Monstera. They're both Monsteras, right? So with the Thai constellation, you see much more of a splat of white, right? It looks like the stars.